Yes, yes, yes. okay. Yes, share the video. Good morning. Happy Easter. Rain dey fall. This Easter this year na good one. Na a very good Friday. So today no be the day wey they go make trouble. As una see, I say rain dey fall. So na the month wey they born me, April. So as the rain dey fall, so today will be Friday, na good Friday. So I beg man and woman wey dey there. I beg una see respect today. Wey be good Friday, una see respect today. Now I say when I come beg una wey get wetin una do each other o. Una wey dey vex for each other o. Una wey say na wan kill the person today o. I beg. Me new generation come beg una today. Mona not give us disgrace, mostly with the Edo. Mona not give us disgrace today. I beg. The disgrace one they give us every day. Today will be see Good Friday. Me they not call they say that the Benin people. I beg, make una see respect to myself today. Oh. I beg, make una share this message, make it viral. Make it this Vera hand. Vera will quick deliver her to the next position where they go. If today na our first time of coming here, may you press the invitation button, may you press the like button. I may you press the following. I beg, I see the beg papa, beg mama. Mona not forget to subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show. I beg Mona subscribe, go there. Now Mona brother, where they do birthday, a bad day, where they do a bad day. On the 15th of April. Now say see there, one of my sister, he did there where he wants to do birthday. Una go noa, Esther Top Show, all of una noa na. I hear and say now Sunday na be happy birthday. I dey wish am. I go see buy. I go see come do am again as I dey do am. I know me now. I come prepare am. Come dey wish am happy birthday. Any pikin wey dey born this month of April, the month wey dey born me so. I go wish all of the happy birthday. If you know say you dey there na April dey born you, call me. I not say me you give me 10 cup. I'm not saying me you give me food money. Because the goodness when they follow April pikin they go, the favor where they follow any pikin where they born for April, the favor where they follow them they go. Now say go they reach una body for money, you go reach them for evening. Our sister where they for Germany, Unanua, Esther Top Show. If they tell una, they tell man and woman for Benin for Europe, if they tell una say, on Sunday morning, April 4. If they climb another 1 year, they join year. He say make una come help and celebrate am o. Anywhere you dey, if you no fit go a house, I hear say coronavirus don arrest people. Coronavirus don arrest people, no dey let people come out again. But anywhere you dey, on Sunday morning, I beg make you look for that page, Esther Top Show. Make you wish a happy birthday. It's a very necessary thing you go do for am. They say who follow person happy, now they follow the happy. You get one of our brother waiting for Sweden, Olagwe. He say when I see make a tell you now, say now on Sunday they do a birthday. Olagwe with Esther, they be twins. They be twins because now I know why I thought say they be twins. Now they say they bought them on the 4. Una remember say our papa Izobo when he starts from the 1st, when he do his birthday yesterday. So our papa Izobo, God go bless you for money. He go bless you for money. You can't make us, all of us, where they born this month. We can't know, say we go celebrate and well this month. So Esther, our pikin, our sister, our mother, if they do a birthday or Sunday morning, make una not forget to, if man and woman did there, make una go subscribe for them. Olagwe, where they for Sweden, if they see they do your own. So I beg, make una go find out Sunday morning. But the new generation, Prophet Atiti, you know, say they call something into two. They call something into two. Now be new generation. Some people start them on the 1st. Some people went down on the 30. Me come share into two. Now be 15. On the 15th, Prophet Atiti, they do a birthday. If you never know now, make you know. I beg, make you not forget that day. If na call, you go call, you call. If na writing, you go write, you go write. I beg, not forget na 2 days. 2 times now I go come out that day for money. I'll go. Go pray for all pikin wey dey born for that month. The month when you see follow on, the month wey don first pass. January to December we go pray put. We no get pikin when you go die. We no get pikin wey go useless. We no get pikin wey go dey talk lie. We no get pikin wey go dey yegbe man. So now I say when I come tell una, I beg. Today na Good Friday, man and woman wey dey there. I beg, I dey beg una, make we hide ourselves today. If you dey hear that, they'll say Benin people, Benin people, Benin people, Benin people, Benin people. We know the people when it start time, na the Suzy, na they do one like this, they do one like this. I just say, see, come out this morning. I just say, come out this morning, not the shame at all. So, na so I talk and reach. I beg, if you dey there, make you share this video, make it viral. Now, no say me, I not the take for video. I dey remember when I say our sister Esther talk show wey dey for Germany. He dey do his birthday. One show now for another no Esther. One show now. One friend and one show now. One show now. Whether I will see him for here. I not show now. Later I go show now. Later I go show now. Not show now. So make una share the video, make it viral. Make rich man and woman and our sister Esther talk show. If they do a birthday or Sunday, if you be man wey dey for there, you be woman wey dey there, make you pass along by the Facebook. As you pass along by the Facebook, you go see Esther talk show, make you wish her happy birthday. Oh. Now so you see there for there, the one in with Esther and her twins, in with Esther and her twins. In with Esther and her twins, so Olagwe wey dey for Sweden. You see, tell me say he birthday na on the 4th. Any pikin wey dey born this April, abeg make una dey invite una sef, make una dey wish una sef good luck, happiness, favour, make una dey wish una sef for una house. So na so we drop and reach this morning. Abeg make una not forget to Prophet Atiti dey do his birthday on the 15th. Because of this coronavirus, people no fit come. But the little people when you go there, they say na who know respect of kola, na they give kola. If you no fit come, make you pass along the road for Facebook, make you write on there happy birthday or happy new month. Anyone you wish to write, make you write on. So I beg, make una subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show. And mona not forget, my people, mona dey press the notification bell. Make una dey press the like or thing, make una press the following. Na very necessary thing as you supposed to do. In case anytime when I come online, una go know say I dey for online. Una phone go make peken, una know say Prophet Atiti the new generation, e don come. Una see this matter when e dey for ground. This matter when e just dey for ground, so we go talk put. We never reach what we want to talk put because none of them they go hear now. We see they try our best for inside ground. Only wetin he pay me. They go carry our pastor. They go put for saga. Pastor Edimofi Daosa, I beg. When I say beg you, today na Easter or Good Friday. Today na Easter o, Good Friday. Monica to Ariambu. Today na Easter, Good Friday. Abeg. Oko. Mona see rest for today. If na Monday, una go start una quarrel again. Mona see rest for this Easter Friday, Easter Saturday, Easter Sunday. Make una see take water, make una drink water, make the Facebook is see coolly. Una dey give us a shame, una dey give us a disgrace. Na so na sabi dey read comment, na so na sabi read. Una so na papa pay school fees for una. See the kind disgrace una dey give us. We know say some people dey happy dey put o. Some people dey happy for this saga. Some people dey happy for this saga. They say no be everybody no fit sleep carry head go one side. If una dey happy, grown up man, grown up woman wey don pass 45 years, e go dey happy say dem dey fight. E dey happy say saga dey. Me too dey surprise. No be Benin people wey me know, wey me dey grow, dey come, no be the Benin people me come dey see again. I come dey surprise. No be Benin people wey me know before, wey me dey young, no be Benin people wey me dey see now again. E quarrel dey those days. Benin people no need quarrel, na peace dem need. I come see some man wey e dey for 48 years now, they go dey clap put say leave am, make dem do saga, saga must end, saga must not stop. All those things wey we dey create, nuisance wey we dey cause, create dance. So I see Monica yesterday, e fall for inside her house. E pikin dey tell her say mommy is enough, mommy is enough. Monica, are you teaching your son good things? Are you teaching your pikin good things the way you behave yesterday? The answer is no. I beg, make una change una character and not cause person o, because na two leaders na dey fight. So two leaders dey fight at the movie with Monica. Monica group dey back her up, dey follow Monica dey fight at the movie o. As they follow Monica dey fight at the movie, so I no go mention their name. The two people wey name one marry measure. Monica to Ariambu. I see where your husband dey talk to you yesterday. Single respect you no get for am. You no get for am. I beg, me come beg una this morning. Today na Easter Friday, Good Friday, una see rain dey fall now. I beg, make una see rest for today. The Murphy da Osa, make una see rest for today. I beg, me dey beg una o. Una know say na so me dey do am. If I come beg una now, una take a chance to my own. Una take a chance to my own, una not take a chance to my own. Una know say that first day, I can't tell una so una don go wake the Murphy for sleep. We dey prepare the Murphy, we dey prepare am. Make change to pastor, make change to pastor, make change to pastor, make change to pastor. Una can't go bite it. Una don bite it now. See am. Suzuki. You come out this morning, dey brag. You say you know the pride, you know the thought this one. You say you know the betray person. You say anybody wey dey betray person na liar. Wetin you do to me? Wetin me tell you? Where you go land? Audio cassette. Where you go land? Social media. Woman wey dey forget the time wey take chop it to money no be woman. Suzy. I see you this morning. You know why I never come talk to you since then? Because this month na the month wey dey born me. This month na the month when I dey happy. So from now till the 15th, I no go talk to any of una. After the birthday, we go come out. As the month saga will continue. We go come Suzy. They come. You know say the movie say Atiti Suzy na your own. Because una don provoke am la una take am provoke am comot for pastor. He say make all of una come beg am make him go to pastor again now. If una know wetin e good, una no know say this saga go long for ground. Make we start to beg the movie now say make go pastor back o. He say he go talk everything finish o. He say he never start o. If you dey talk am Suzy, maybe your own go come dey Peter Potter go come dey for there o. Maybe if the movie dey talk and dey go Suzy, your own go come plenty o. Who get that woman? I'll call her, find the number. Who get time when I call her? Make sure if you go back at the movie, make come out to you for inside. Anything where the movie talk for a body may come out to you for inside because this matter go to work for grand. But wait me, I come back una for today. Today na Easter Friday. I beg make una let Facebook cool down today. Oh, make una carry fire. Make people not go to see the talk and say, Edo people, Edo people, Edo people. They know the shame. Mona see let her cool down today. My big sister Esther Talk Show. Why you not Mama Wegbe? Why you pa Ogi Manuel? Why you fa Ogi Manuel? The year say now Sunday you do celebrate your birthday. If I not there for there, I not go sleep. I must dey there. I me go ferry there. 5 o'clock in the morning. Esther Talk Show. I don't reach your birthday. So it go better for you for money. I can't see one boy. Esther Talk Show. I can't see one boy where they born una two for the same day una be twins. So Olagwe, he dey for Sweden. He say now Sunday he dey celebrate the birthday too. So if I not there for there, who want dey there? Now me dey first dey reach there. I don't start to waka dey come home. May you prepare my issue for grand. God go bless all of una. Mona not see forget to on the 15th. Now they do my birthday. The day where they cut the moat into two. Now that day I go do my birthday. I dey beg man and woman today na Easter Friday, Good Friday. I beg mo see give our Baba respect for today. Mo see respect and mo no carry quarrel come out today. Now I say when I can't tell all of una where na dey for part of the world. Monica team, I beg. Eddie Murphy team, I beg. Make una see respect this Good Friday. Muna see respect. And I know say na Friday when it go good, rain dey fall now. Na Friday when it go good, rain dey fall. So I beg, mo leave quarrel for today and tomorrow and Monday una fit start quarrel. But for now, muna leave quarrel first. So we know say many papa, many mama dey happy for the saga. When me they grow the consist, when me they grow the con, never see this kind of thing. We woman wait for 48 years, 50 years go. They happy say saga must continue and never see am. Benin people not be like this before. Whether na Europe it can cause me, I not gonna know. So all our presenters, where the matter not concern, make una draw na body go inside, so make una eyes move. They look them. Now these same people now start Facebook. Now it cause nuisance put. Now these same people they fight themselves. So, but waiting me come back then. Me new generation prophet Atiti. I come back then. Mo see give our kingdom respect for today. Mo see give our Edo respect today. Today na Good Friday. Mo na not a saga start today, tomorrow or Sunday. I beg make una respect una self. Make people not go to see the talk and say Benin people, Benin people, Benin people be the Benin people. Now me and you, but me come beg you now. Me come beg una now this morning. I beg wanyo. The movie Dausa, no worry. People see wetin happen. They push you. They push you come out. You be done repent o. You be done repent. No worry, they repent 2 times. That time you come born again. Now you come born you again. If you come go pastor again, they come born you well now. So make una share the video, make it viral, make it reach man and woman hands. Now me and my brother new generation prophet Atiti, Mona not forget. Mami Keta. Mona not forget say Esther Talk Show where they live for Germany. Now Sunday, now they had another new year. They join the year when he don dey o. He say he call man and woman for papa, mama, Igbama. He say he call all of them. Make them follow and they for there. We know say because of coronavirus. We know they feel they go people house again, but make you pass it nearby for Facebook. Make you wish a happy Christmas. So make una pass nearby there. Make una wish a happy birthday on Sunday. Olagwe see day for there, he day for Sweden. Make una go see wish a happy birthday. Make una not forget on the 15th of April. Now that day I do my own, make una sister by me, una say wish me happy birthday. Mommy Esther Talk Show, I never celebrate her for you. I go celebrate her on Sunday morning. You know, say now different way. Now me take they do my own. Maybe that day now people laugh go keep people. Now no say na so me they do am. Make una not forget I want go start work. Now only today I can't get for work because tomorrow I know they come up for us. Or Sunday I know they come up for us till on Monday. So wetin I come beg una, all of una today, the presenters, na any trade wey no go school wey come from Oviaru Southwest, na dey talk to una so. I beg for today, this Good Friday, una see say they declare public holiday for the world. People no comot for house, people no go market. I beg, make una no disgrace una sef o, make una hide una sef. We hear say some people fall yesterday gbagara. They said they no go gree. I beg, me come beg you, Monica Atuari, may you be a patient for only today. Tomorrow may you be a patient on Monday. Na fit start am o. Na so I drop the message reach. Those wey say they go school, those wey say they be graduates, wey they do presenter, I can't tell una as I my knowledge reach o. If una see una they declare public holiday, they respect our baba. They declare public holiday, make person no comot for house. Make una no come take stagger spoil am because the whole world their eye go dey for social media today o. Una no come dey give una self a disgrace o. Na so I talk and reach. I beg make una subscribe go Prophet Atiti Top Show. Make una press the notification bells. Make una press the like your team. Make una press the following. Bye bye. We see tomorrow morning or this evening. We will talk again. Make una share the video. Make it viral. Bye bye.